life a journey where your choices matters a lot. And I realized this fact even more when I had to find a perfect school for my child. As a parent, I know my child needs more space to play and to learn. I want to find him a pollution-free place. A school which learns him better and teaches him better. A school where he finds live models for love, affection, and dedication. A school where he can nurture his individuality and be a future leader. A school to guide him through the path of knowledge with dedication and unfailing faith. And here's where I stand. Blessings International School, Tirukazhukunram, Chengalpet. For admissions, contact 9688999811, 8012553412, 73730 79060, or log on to www.blessingseducation.org.